I'm Division Chief Kelvin Brim. With 43 firehouses, 8 battalions, I've managed nearly 270 firefighting personnel on C shift.
Balancing citywide coverage of firefighters and responding to emergencies with the option of assuming incident command is a small part of the duty of a Charlotte Fire Operations Division Chief. Today we are moving on up to the division level as we ride along with Division Chief Brim to see how they get down on C shift. Directing and supervising the women and men of Charlotte Fire allows a division chief to mentor, coach, and provide a way to assess the knowledge, skills, and abilities of those within the department. And just as important, a division chief solves any internal issues that might arise by providing feedback and counseling. An experienced division chief is a searing bank of information at a fire or emergency scene. Our division chiefs possess a multitude of skills and talents, not to mention a solid personal character to represent Charlotte Fire.